Hello, how are you everybody? It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with Smashbook 31-day challenge because I added an extra one. And today's day number 2, and it is goals. Also, my Crafty Style and Sandy are going live to do theirs daily. I will have my Crafty Styles channel linked in the description box below. I believe they're going on at 7 Eastern time. So if you want to go watch them do their page layouts, please go check them out. So, let's move this. So this is my little book I'm using. It is a Smashbook, if anybody was wondering. It's kitchen related. Just a little one. I decided to use it for this. So I showed you the cover the other day. Or the inside cover. That's the cover, that's the inside cover. And that was about me, day 1. Now we're on this one, goals. So, I decided to do 10 goals. I wanted them to be realistic as possible. Ones that I can accomplish. And I'm already working on one. So, day 2. Ready? Is goals. So number 1 is to stop smoking. I am down to 6 cigarettes. From a pack a day down to 6. I think I'm doing really good. They keep going down. I am on some medication that assists me with that. So cut back on Pepsi. That is a work in progress, I'll be honest. Do a walk a day. That is weather depending. I do walk around the block. I try. And then sometimes I take longer walks. I also walk with my neighbor ladies who walk their dogs when it's nice out. Move flower bed and move flagpole. It's one and the same because the flagpole is in the flower bed. I want to move this whole flower bed that my mother-in-law did to a different spot in my yard. That all depends on these babies. Do front flower bed. That also depends. The ones from move flower bed all the way down to number 10 are all depending on when I get my surgery because I'm limited right now. So, do front flower bed. I think I mentioned that. What I mean about that is I want to put a flower bed in front of my house with some hostas in and some nice, I'm going to use wood chips and coffee beans in there, and I want to do that this spring or summer, but it all depends on these hands I tell ya. Finish stairs. What I mean about that is me and Scott had four to 5 stairs left to sand before we had to close the house up for the year because of winter. You know what I mean? Not close the house permanently, but can't open a window. And it's got 4 stairs of sand. It don't take much. And then we'll take a weekend and we'll clear coat them, do a light another, let them dry, do another light sanding, clear coat, and then we have these things we want to put on top of them after clear coat so you don't slip or Tino falls down them. Finished bathroom floor. Me and Scott still been discussing if we want to sand the floor down in the bathroom or put tiling down. This bathroom tiling, not like ceramic. We're probably going to go with that. It matches my wall in my bathroom. And we have that to do. And then paint upstairs. And that's the stairway going upstairs around the hallway and into our bedroom and a little alcove I have, which me and Scott are going to make semi in a closet. If you go back to my house video, you can, there's one I show you. And then that'll be done. Ride my bike more. That's one thing. I enjoy riding my bicycle around. I got a little cart. I go to Rummus Hills in the neighborhood. That also depends when these get done. So from 4 down are things I want to get done this summer. And after I find out what they're going to do with my hands on the 25th. So right now it's up in the air on them. So that is day 2. And then the page, what I did is I'm going to try to keep as much as the page for the book itself that I can. So this had like scoops on, like what's the scoop? So it was on this was just that page. And I just grabbed some scrapbooking paper and made it like a little notebook kind of thing with the lines going across. And then I just went along the edge with some Posca pens here and then around the goal. And just doodled a little bit to add something to the page. So I hope you enjoy this. Hey, tell me what your goals are for the year. Do you have any, or do you have weekly goals? I mean, I like to know. I mean, I don't really set goals for myself. This was a little challenging. I had to come up, and then I thought, well, I got all this stuff I want to do in the house, and then on outside, I thought those were goals. That's why I put them down. So let me know. Make sure you go over and check out Tammy and Sandy's. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.